Welcome to Freedom Life Mastery channel, guys. In this video we will talk about what is a sales funnel and what are the different stages of a sales funnel using an example. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, I'll be making videos about how to grow your online business using affiliate marketing, how to build sales funnel and email marketing, etc. If you're looking to build an online business with affiliate marketing, please do subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with today's topic. What is a sales funnel? Sales funnel is nothing but a process of your visitors getting converted into buyers by pre-educating them about your offer or a service that can actually help them solve the problem. So as you can see in this image, visitors will be at the top of your funnel. You can drive this is your first stage of your funnel, where you will drive traffic to your first page, from maybe it can be from YouTube, Facebook, Google Blogs, or Facebook ads or solo ads, etc. So when you drive traffic to your first page, the visitors who are visiting your first stage may not be aware about you or your product or anything. So that's why it is also called as awareness stage, where they will come to know about you. At this stage, it's absolutely fine if they don't know you, because the sales process is designed in such a way that they will get to know you as they move along with this sales funnel process. So initially, when they visit your first page, you might be offering them something for free, or some kind of a hook that you will be offering them. So some of them will show interest and they will provide their email address or any other contact details, and they enter the next stage, that is called as interest stage. Because they have shown interest in your product, in your offer that you have offered initially, so they become your contacts or leads. So in this step, like, you connect their email address. So collecting an email addresses are very important stage of a sales funnel, or maybe in the internet marketing business as well, because email list is an online asset that you will be building, because nobody can take away from you. And the most important part is, if somebody doesn't buy anything at the moment, you can always follow up with them using those with emails. And also you can also promote other products that can actually help them solve. You can keep up with the relationship by providing them value all the time. So that's how you build the rapport with your customer. So here, leads are also called as potential customer. They actually haven't bought anything from you, but they have shown that micro commitment. Okay, I'm interested something that you are going to help me or something. Because at this from the awareness stage, when they entered the next stage. So here you have collected their email address. So you'll be sending them through different stages or different web pages, where you will be pre-educating them about your product or service, how that product or service can help them solve their problem, or how they can change their lives with your product or service. So that's how the sales funnel process works. And once they go through different steps of your training or any other material that you are passing to them, then they will come to a next step, where they want to when you show them your actual offer, they will they may compare with other people as well, and they make that decision. Okay, I need to go with this product or service that can actually help me. So it becomes the finalist. So they will they may compare with other products as well, and then they will take an action, and then they will purchase your product. Then actually they will become your customers or client. As you can see, the sales funnel process is also kind of a filtration process. Here, everybody visiting your first page will not be your dream customer, so it will filter out. Okay, anybody interested, they come to the next stage, then they give your email address, and then they are in the next stage. And some of will make a decision to go with your product, so they become finalists, and then they finally become your customers or client in the end. So once this process ends, does not mean the sales funnel process has ended. You can always build rapport with your customers, because they have provided you email address. So you can always send them different values, different products. So it will be always with you, and you can always keep that relationship with them. That's the beauty of sales funnel. So as you can see, the it's shaped like a reverse pyramid as well, because the visitors at the top will be very large in number. That depends on how much traffic you're driving to your funnel. And then or not all of them will become your leads. Some of them will leave out and some of them will come. That's why you see a reduced number of leads in the next stage and reduced number of finalists, and the finally you will find your dream customer. So that's the beauty of sales funnel. People also call sales funnel a money making machine if you do it the right way. So this is a theoretical picture of how the sales funnel look like and what are the different stages of a sales funnel. Now let's look at how actually a sales funnel look like in the web pages. So I use a software called as ClickFunnels to build sales funnel. It's a software founded by Russell Brunson, and it's a very powerful tool because this allows you to build funnels within minutes to hours. You can that's it's a very powerful tool. You can do split test, you can email follow-up, you can build pages within minutes. So I'll show you one of the example that the funnel which I use. So the first page is always opt-in page. Okay, let's open this page. Okay, it's here already. Okay, so this is my first page. Okay, this is also called as opt-in page. Here where I'll be collecting the email address of the visitor that will be visiting my first page. And also in this page, as you can see, there should be some hook that that gains the attention of a visitor whenever they will be browsing through Facebook. Something you hook up something that grabs the attention. And okay, let's say here the headline is like the headline is like how to build a profitable business online by selling other people's proven products without having any technical skills or previous marketing experience. Okay, so this is good right now. And also you will be given access to my full Facebook and Instagram course for free. So here this is a free training that will actually pre-educate them about the product that I'm going to sell them in the end. Because and in the first page, if you try to sell anything in this page, they will never be buying because they don't know what is the use of that product. So here you are giving a free training that will actually help them to grow their business. Along with that, you will also tell them this product is going to boost your sales, or this is going to help save your time, lot of time. So that is what we are going to do in this page. Also in this training, like you will be mentioning like secret number 1, 2, 3. Secret number 1 is how do I let other people do all the hard work and full fulfillment for me. So basically here we are talking about how to how to leverage other people business who are already successful, how to implement that in your business, and how to make without being in front of all in front of my laptop all day. That's because in the sales funnel process you'll be automating the systems, so the system will start working for you. How do I need a little traffic to make this work? So because you will be following a perfect process here, so the little traffic also with you can convert very highly. So along with that, you're also giving them Facebook lead generation program and Instagram program. So this is all you mention in this page. So what you can do is I'll be just collecting an email address here. So just click on here, get instant access. It will show up the email capture page. All you need to do is just enter the email address to get access to this 4-day free training. So once here I have collected the email, this is my first stage. So anybody entering this stage will be going through the next stage. So as I told you, this page may not even look like the funnel which I showed you earlier, but actually the concept is the same. That's they came to the first page, visited, and they showed interest. They gave their email address. They went to the next stage, and I'll talk through the next stages as well here. So the next page is like the thank you page, where here it will just say like, okay, thank you for subscribing, and here is the training, like you will receive the training, and that's what. So because it was a free training of 4 days, so the next step I'll be sending them through is lesson number 1. Here they will run how to generate 100 to 1 per day online without making. There is a video of 1 hour. So here we will be taking them through a training that actually, because you promised them something. So this is the first page where we will take them through different training. And then lesson number 2. Next day, lesson number 3. In the same way, you take them through different lessons that they were signed up to In this process, what actually happens is you build a relationship with your customer, and even they start trusting you. Okay, this person is providing me what he has promised me in this opt-in page. So actually this training is helping me how I can actually grow my business. So what happens is here is the right time. Once that trust is built, then you take them to the sales page. Here we will be promoting our end product. It could be anything. Here, for example, here in this page we are selling ClickFunnels software. So in all these lessons, we have shown you how to I have shown you how to build a business, and we use a software called as ClickFunnels that will actually help you save a lot of time, and how you can boost your sales as well with many other options they have from that software. So here also we provide them again a few more bonuses that they can get once they sign up using this link or any other product. So that's how the sales funnel works. So this is pretty much like you got their email address, you take them through different steps, and eventually you send them to a sales page where, because the trust is the chemistry is right between you and your customer, the sale will happen. So that's how the sales funnel works. So let's take one more example. So this is one of the funnels that I use, and one more example, like let's take a funnel hacks example, which is the ClickFunnels that are running. I'm sure there must be a lead capture, that is email capture page here somewhere. Okay, so okay, it loaded. So as you can see, register for the free web class right now to see how others ditch their website and have boosted their sales by 540% with ClickFunnels. So basically here they're telling how you can make money, how you can boost your sales using ClickFunnels rather than having a traditional website. So for that, like, they have a free web class. I'm sure it will, let's put some test emails. This will take to a webinar page or something. Yeah. Here, as you can see, he's Russell Brunson, the founder of ClickFunnels. So I'm sure this will be a 1.5 hours of training, maybe, probably. So they will teach like how actually how you can use funnels or ClickFunnels other than your traditional business. So they will pre-educate you about their product, and they are promoting the One Funnel challenge. So this is one of the greatest challenge. Even I have attended this. So this is the great value they are providing. So what happened here is, initially they collected their email address, and they are giving you free value by making you to go through this free webinar, and then in the end how actually this product can help you. So that's how they are promoting the product end here. So this all makes sense now when you come and look at this picture. They collected their email address, you entered the next stage, then you made the once you go through that value or webinar or a free training or a free PDF or a free book. So then once you are shown to, once they actually offer you their product, so if you like it, you will definitely go for it. So that's how the sales funnel process works. So in order to build sales funnels, I use this software called as ClickFunnels. I have the link in the description, so you can try it for free for 14 days. If you choose to, if you decide to go for ClickFunnels using the below link, you will also be given access to free affiliate marketing training, and also some of the done for you funnels and email sequences, how to set up, and every other training as well. So let me know. Hope you got value from this video. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments, and hope we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys.